So about a month ago, I shared with you how to make meat pie for 25 to 30 people, and I'm back again with something more pleasant. In today's video, I'm sharing with you how to make this rich in butter, easy and delicious meat pie for 60 people. And trust me, this is crowd pleasing that you'd come back with results if you follow the exact measurement. So if you want to know how this was made, please do stick with me. Thank you. So each flour is 1.5 kg and I used two. Afterwards I added extra 480 grams, making 3,480 grams. You would need a scale to get the exact measurements. All ingredients used will be listed in the description box. And also the flour has been neatly sifted. I'll add 3 to 4 tablespoons of powdered milk and I'll grate some nutmeg. After grating, I'll add a tablespoon of garlic and onion powder and I'll mix everything. After mixing, I'll add a pinch of salt and then I'll mix everything again. With the margarine, I used 2 kg and I added extra 928 grams, making 2,928 grams. We have margarine made specifically for baking, so if you want a perfect outcome, I would recommend that. So with the clean hands, I'll mix the flour and margarine together with the tip of my finger. So here video nima mede minsa anono eneye miwia na se memubu kakra. So after mixing, I'll add some eggs. In my previous video, people were asking why I added eggs to the pie crust. If you don't want it, you can omit it and then add just a little amount of milk and then start forming your dough. But adding eggs to your pie crust takes it to another level. Trust me on this. All those who have had a taste of my meat pie end up coming back for more. So start forming your dough when you're done and allow it to rest in the fridge for roughly 15 minutes or more. So I'll be using corned beef and tuna for this recipe. I'll add half a cube of onga seasoning and I'll mix. Afterwards, I'll add some diced onion. I'm not using any vegetables for this recipe, so you can add it and then heat it up a bit, but I'm not doing so in this recipe. So now let's start making the pie. I'll add some flour onto the surface and I'll add the dough and I'll roll it out and cut to my preferred shape and size. So I add a little bit of flour on the surface so it doesn't stick. When I'm done cutting, I'll add the filling and I'll brush the ends with some water or egg wash and I'll seal it nicely with my hands, or you can as well use a fork. So thank you so much if you've watched this far. I truly appreciate it. When I'm done, I'll create in some holes on the top of the pie and I'll brush it up with some egg wash and then I'll bake. So baking takes 30 to 40 minutes depending on your oven. Allow it to cool down and then wrap it up when you're done. So when you try this recipe, please don't forget to leave a feedback on Instagram. Would be very pleased to know. Thank you so much for watching till the very end. Please don't forget to like, share and then subscribe if you enjoyed this video. And I got 3 boxes in all and each box contained 20 meat pies. Thank you so much.